everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, look what we are making. These are brown-eyed Susans. If you've ever seen these at the grocery store and you've never tried them, they are absolutely incredible. They taste even better homemade. So let's go ahead and get started. Both of my cheeks and we will sing our own Christmas song. Alright you guys, I'm starting off by adding to my bowl 1 cup of room temperature unsalted butter. I'm going to be whipping this on high until it's nice and light and fluffy. And if it's your first time here on my channel, I want to welcome you. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell. I post unique recipes weekly. Now I'm finishing up this dough by adding 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and lastly the secret ingredient, 3/4 cups of cornstarch. This cornstarch makes these cookies literally, and I mean literally, melt in your mouth right after you take that first bite. The cookies are just light and delicate. I mean, look at the texture of this dough. Does it not look like Play-Doh to you? I'm rolling it out onto a log, and you're gonna chill this until the butter firms back up, which will be around 15 to 20 minutes. Now, in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and melt some chocolate chips and butter in the microwave, being careful not to overheat them. And once it's silky smooth, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of light corn syrup, which is going to keep this chocolate topping a nice soft consistency as it firms up and develops its crusted exterior. I'm going to keep this covered until it's ready to be used. And now for the fun part, it's time to bake these cookies up. You're going to slice them nice and thick, about 1 inch. And just because these cookies are named after flour, I thought it'd be cute to use my little cookie cutter. I'm going to press a little thumbprint indentation, and they're going to bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for around 18 to 20 minutes. And once they're no longer warm, I'm going to be adding a nice dollop of that rich chocolate topping to the delicate buttery cookie. Alright guys, and that is it. We made these brown-eyed Susans. Weren't they so easy? Now for the best part, we're going to try one. Look at that. It almost just, if you touch it, it kind of flakes. It's so delicate. And the chocolate on top, it just firms up, so you don't have to worry about the chocolate getting all over the other cookies in the cookie arrangement. So let's go ahead and give it a bite. Mamma mia! You guys, this was one of the first cookies that when it touched my saliva, it literally dissolved. This dough is incredible. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried this out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.